Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for a U.S. passport after obtaining citizenship through naturalization. Congratulations on becoming a U.S. citizen. As a new citizen, you can apply for a U.S. passport. With a U.S. passport, you can visit several countries without a visa. A U.S. passport also serves as proof of your U.S. citizenship. Let's get started on your passport application. Step 1 is gathering your important documents. First, provide your proof of U.S. citizenship. You will have to submit the original Certificate of Naturalization. Also, bring a photocopy of the naturalization certificate. This document helps verify your identity and citizenship status. Second, proof of identity. Bring your government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or state ID card. Bring the original as well as a front and back photocopy. And finally, a recent color photograph. The official requirement for the photo is, taken less than 6 months ago, the head must face the camera directly with a full face and both ears in view. Use a plain white or off-white background. No eyeglasses and head covering, and no uniforms. If you wear a headscarf or turban, then you will have to submit a signed statement, verifying that it is part of recognized traditional religious attire that is customarily or required to be worn continuously in public. Glasses or other eyewear are not acceptable unless you submit a signed statement from a doctor explaining why you cannot remove them. And finally, photos are to be taken in clothing normally worn on a daily basis. You cannot wear a uniform, clothing that looks like a uniform, or camouflage attire. You can get passport-size pictures taken at various places, like pharmacies or FedEx or UPS, for around $16 to $20 for 2 pictures. Passport application centers also take pictures for around $12. I would highly recommend to get your pictures taken there. Step 2. Complete the form, DS-11. You must have gotten the form in your envelope with the naturalization certificate. I would recommend downloading the form from the U.S. Department of State and filling it out electronically. Let's go through the process. Search for the DS-11 form on Google. Click on the link and it will open a fillable Adobe form. Scroll through the end to see the form. Fill in all the information. For your parental information, you can fill in the approximate information if you do not know all the information, such as the date of birth of your parents. Do not sign the form. You need to sign in front of the application agent at the passport office. Print out the form to take it with you to the passport application office. Step 3. Pay the fees. Check the current fees on the State Department's website. I have provided the link below. The standard passport book fee is $130 and the execution fee is $35. Both fees are paid separately, which means you will have to write 2 separate checks. Payment methods typically include checks or money orders. I would recommend taking the checkbook with you. The passport application agent will give you all the information to write on the check. Step 4. Locate a passport acceptance facility. Use the passport acceptance facility search tool to find a nearby location, such as U.S. post offices or public libraries. Again, I have provided the link in the description section. I would recommend going to a public library. Make the appointment either online or by calling the number provided. Make sure to check whether they offer passport photo service. Some post offices offer walk-ins. You can go there during their walk-in hours. Let me walk you through the process of making an online appointment. Search for passport acceptance facility near you. Enter your zip code. Make sure to check photo on site. Select the facility you would like to make an appointment. Go to their website. Select the date and time. Fill out the form and confirm the appointment. Step 5. Visit the acceptance facility in person. Remember to bring all your original documents, including your completed DS-11 form, Certificate of Naturalization, government-issued ID, passport photo, and checkbook or other mode of payment of fees. At the facility, a passport acceptance agent will review your application and documents. They'll also witness your signature on the application form. The agent will make photocopies of your driver's license. They will also take the original Certificate of Naturalization to be sent to the passport department along with your application package. Remember to make a photocopy of your Certificate of Naturalization before submitting the original. Step 6. After submitting your application, you can track its status online through the U.S. Department of State's website. The link is given below. You will receive your Certificate of Naturalization after 4 to 5 weeks, and passport within 3 to 4 weeks unless you paid the expedited fee for faster processing. Congratulations, you have a U.S. passport. Please leave a comment below if anything is not clear.